Hi, my name is Amanda Winnigy. This is the brain dissection of AMP1 lab. First, I'm going to talk to you or show you the duramater. It's basically the top layer of the brain, if you can see it. I'm going to show you the arachnoid mater. It's this middle part, middle of the three layers. And then the pia mater is the innermost of all of the layers. I'm going to show you the cerebellum. It's this little awkward part of the brain, controls the balance and muscle coordination. The cerebrum is the left and right hemisphere of the brain and is divided by the fissure, this line right here. The cortex is basically the outer layer of the brain. The gyrus and the sulcus is the grooves of the purple lines, as you can see. It's located. It's right here, the anterior of the medulla. Now the medulla is right here, if you can see. It contains the reflex centers, so controls your coughing, sneezing, hiccuping. The olfactory bulb is this little thing right here. It contains cell bodies and neurons. The optic chiasma is this little thing right here. It's the crossing point of the optic nerves. So I'm going to show you the ventricles. I'll first show you the third ventricle. It's this little curve right here. And then the fourth ventricle, it's kind of hard to explain. It's the, this little corner right here. It is filled with fluid. And then the pineal body is this little circle right here. It secretes melatonin, this, if you can see it. And then the thalamus is located right here. It's part of the diaphyseal superior to the hypo. And then the corpus callosum, if I'm saying that correctly, it is this this line right here. It's a large band of the tissue that connects to the hemisphere. And then the cerebral aqueduct, it kind of looks like a hole. It's connecting to the third and fourth ventricles right here. I'm going to show you the diencephalon. It's at the end of the curve. It's the region of the brain made up of the thalamus and the hypothalamus. The midbrain is right here, where the spine is. The hypothalamus is this little flappy thing. And then the hypophysis is kind of in this area right here. It's called a pituitary gland. So I'm going to show you the white matter. It's kind of the white area that I'm pointing to. It's within the brain and the spinal cord. And the gray matter is this other color, as you can see right here. It's the inner portion of the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord right here. So then the cranial nerves, which is within the spinal cord, and it has 12 pairs of nerves that leave the brain. And the choroid plucus, I don't know if I said that right. It's kind of this area right here, and it contributes production of the cerebrospinal fluid kind of in the spinal cord right here. So the last part I will show you is the hippocampus It's basically the center of the brain, and it's important for learning and memory, which helps you a lot. Thank you for watching my dissection of the sheep brain.